Dear friends, in this video we are going to understand about cancer. Cancer is a dreadful disease which can affect any individual at any age. It can develop in any organs of the body. What is cancer? Cancer is a large group of disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. It serves no physiological function. In this image, we can clearly understand the normal and abnormal cell growth. This normal cell division occurs naturally. At the same time, the cancer cell divisions growth abnormally. Here, these normal cells affected some genetic changes. It will form cancer cells. After that, very fast cell division and cell growth, it will appear in the malignant or cancer cells. The normal cells are doing their duty in the actual way. At the same time, these cancer cells are growing very fast. The different terms used in cancer are neoplasm, tumor, malignant, benign and biopsy. These are the important terms or terminologies used in cancer. Neoplasm means new growth of tissue. Tumor is a clumping of neoplasmic cells. Malignant means cancerous cells growth. Benign means not cancerous cells. This biopsy is one type of test. It's a microscopic examination of all the cell development of the whole body. In this diagram, we can see the neoplasm. What is neoplasm? This neoplasm is a type of abnormal and excessive growth called neoplasia of tissues. The growth of neoplasm is uncoordinated with that of the abnormal normal surrounding tissue and persists in growing abnormally even if the original trigger is removed. This abnormal growth usually forms a mass. It may be called as tumor. Abnormal growth of mass formation of cells are known as tumors. What are the two important types of tumors? The tumors are further classified into two important types. It's a benign tumor and malignant tumors. Benign tumor is otherwise known as non-malignant, and this malignant tumors is otherwise known as cancerous tumors. But the important conditions, all tumors are not malignant nature, but at the same time these cancerous tumors are very dangerous one. What is benign tumor? A benign tumor grows slowly and may become large. It does not spread to the other areas of the body. These tumors are non-malignant. More common than malignant tumors, they do not develop into a cancer cells. What is malignant tumor? The growth of cell is uncontrolled. Cells can spread into surrounding tissues and spread to distant sites also. It's a cancer growth, or this otherwise known as malignant growth. It may begin as a small growth and may grow slowly, but later on it's grow very fast. This diagram shows the difference between benign tumor and malignant tumor. The cells are in this benign tumor, cells are not cancerous cells and it won't spread the neighbors' organs. At the same time, these malignant tumors are cancerous one and can spread to the tissues and organs of the whole body. This malignant tumors and benign tumors cell diagram represented here. Then common cancers in India. Especially in India, men have affected cancers of lung, oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus and stomach cancers. Women have affected cancers of cervix, breast cancer, ovary, oral cavity and esophagus. What about the factors? What causes cancers? The important causing factors like hereditary, immunity, chemicals, physical factors, viral, bacterial and lifestyle. In hereditary, especially molecular biology and human genome project have explained 5 to 10% of cancers are due to the main reason hereditary. 15% of all the remaining cancers only the other factors. Then immunity also another important factors, another important cause of cancer. The immunity affected dreadful disease like HIV, and also this HIV disease also affected the immunosuppression. Decreasing the immunity, it will cause the abnormal growth of cancer cells. Virus also another important causing agent of cancers. Examples of hepatitis B, human T-cell leukemia virus, Epstein-Barr virus, human papilloma. These are the import viruses or causing agents of cancers. Some bacterials also inducing or causing agents of cancer. This H. pylori, other parasites like clonoresis. Then some chemical factors also induced cancers, especially this intake of alcohol. Then inside this asbestos, this wood dust, rubber, plastics, dyes, tar. Then aflatoxin, alkylating agents also, the continuous usage of tobacco. Then another important causing factor is smoking. The single biggest cause of cancer, this 25 to 40% of smokers die in middle age because due to the main reason is they have suffered this lung cancers. Not to cause cancers introduced in this 1950. Then industrial pollution also another important factors of cancers. Then some physical causes like ultraviolet radiation, sunlight, sudden industrial sources, then radiations like radon, then continuous usage of this cancer treatment, it will also suddenly growing the cancer cells. Then another important causing factor is obesity, because it's the obesity depends on the lifestyle. They are intaking of highly caloric diet, rich in fat, refined carbohydrates and animal protein, low physical activities. The important consequence of obesity also leads to cancer, then diabetes, cardiovascular disease, also hypertension. The new hope in cancer treatments. Nowadays, many treatments introduced in cancer treatment remove less surrounding tissues during surgery. The another one combines surgery with radiations or chemotherapy, immunotherapy, cancer fighting vaccines, gene therapy, stem cell research. What is the cancer prevention methods? 2 to 3 of all cancers may be prevented by avoiding tobacco, limiting alcohol consumption, eating adequate fruits and vegetables daily, knowing family history of cancer, limiting exposure of sun and radiation. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.